So Mark Atabay and Mike Machon. And it's Negros. Rick Kaunan puts the ball on the deck, recovers. The hook shot is good. Basket and one. With 7.8 per ball game block. Si Nem de la Cruz ni Rick Kaunan. Renz Palma. Baseline chopper over Nem de la Cruz.
And that's a good sign for Negros. Miguel Razon and Philip Manalang compared for only 2 of 12 from beyond the arc. So credit the backcourt.
Move, natapik, recovered. Atabay has it. Kaunan nakawala, lays it in for 2.
Other guys like Pio Longa and Mark Pangilinan. Kasama dyan, nagbabalik na rin si Jeff Comia sa larong ito. Nasabi, lesson learned na daw. Back to our panel.
Maraming salamat, Sid, but always active on the glass,
nice.
Says Andre Arminion, taking it strong to the cup. Ganyahan unable to convert. Comia, the runner is good. Jeff Comia.
May tapik pa sa ulo but no call. There's that.
And si Jeff Comia, it's never easy para kay Jeff Comia. Payawal knocks down the 3. He's got 4 points, CJ Payawal.
Ang laro, 2-point lead na lamang itong Negros.
Ludovice, the drop pass, Jeremy Cruz puts it in. I like
Itong Valenzuela.
J.R. Kenyahan, that is money.
Masterful shot. Something he can do in his sleep.
Kenyahan and Harry Rodriguez. Mark Atabay also showing us he has the range.
I had the malaking bagay yan sa report ni Sydney, aside from obviously Jeremy Mahinay, yung pagka-suspended nitong kay Comia, malaking kawalan din sa Negros.
A lot of fans are excited with this team. Payawal as well.
Who isn't?
Oh, Daryl Manliguez, dire-diretso. Ito yung regular sa Panalay sa Mindanao. Agaw pa ni Payawal. CJ goes up and lays it in on the other side. 8 points para kay CJ Payawal. At 16 all, this end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Could still be effective even without an outside shot. But if you have one, why not? Tulad nun. Ito, familiar na.
Idol ko yan.
Si Mark Pangilinan.
De Chavez responds with a 3.
Isa pang 3-point shooter.
Away by Darren Manliguez. Manliguez. That's the 2 points.
May hugot ka na naman. Ito, tulad nito.
Wow! Mark Pangilinan! Lumingin ka naman dito, Mark Pangilinan. Suplado.
Who needs him? But, you know, it was, I think, Pangilinan's choice. From what I understand, na lumipat na rin ng Negros.
Coach Congressman Eric Martinez always present sa mga laro. De Chavez thought about it and connects on the 3.
Well, that's the beauty when you generate for Negros.
Well, extended minutes here for Payawal. Santos finishes on the other side. And talk about
na talagang totoo yung statement na height is might. Ang ganda naman nung screen ni Atabay. Pero nagmintis, pero Atabay right there to clean it up. Libreng-libre si Hubert Cani sa layup.
Manliguez pushing the pace. Daryl to Nem. Nem, corner 3 is good.
At meron bumagsak, no? Mukhang tinamaan sa muka. Ito si Jeremy Cruz. Umatake sa gitna pero pa weak side yung pasa.
It's a 4-point lead for Valenzuela. Comia.
Hang time.
Plays with 4 bench points for Val City, 18 for Negros. Atabay inside, off the glass and in.
A beautiful job of
Jeremy Cruz. Back to Hubert Cani, 5 on the shot clock. Natapik ni Arminion, another steal for Valenzuela. Great pass to Dennis Santos. 8 seconds remaining. Kani. Napatay na yung shot clock dito. Cruz. The high arcing three is good.
Mukhang nakatulong ba yung pag-challenge ni Armin yun? Ang ganda nung challenge. I was about to say a poor read on that closeout. It was a hard one.
36-35 halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Lang ngayon, going back.
Maganda, grabe yung lineup na to. It's a big lineup. Payawal at the 2, and J.R. Kenyahan knocks down the baseline jumper.
And I love seeing lineups. Winning margin of what? 12, 13 points?
Yes, and Dennis Santos lays it in for 2. He's got... Here's Palma on the run. Renz Palma.
Yeah.
Parang pag Hubert Kani leading the break. Comia, the extra pass para kay James Una. It's back to a 1-point game.
Beautiful.
Against Arminion. Palma and Renz Palma looking very sharp as he...
Appearance will be the most important thing right now. Pwede raw mag-give up at tama rin yung katawan niya pero yung utak hindi pwede. Back to you guys.
Thank you so much, Sid. This Renz Palma scores on the other end, but back to...
The wiser decision, you know, for many NBA players.
Arminion ang rebound. Leaves it. Then Chavez knocks down the 3.
And Chavez sinks his...
Mashon sa ilalim. Mike Mashon. I still got it. Sabi ni Mike Mashon.
Right.
Ni angle na malulusutan sila ng ganong kadaling basket.
Right. Pretty basic, especially in the out of bounds under.
Capobres, top of the key. Puts the ball on the deck. Spins. The one-hander is good. Alvin Capobres. This is one guy
who could score.
Oh, who could get going for them.
Rizal. Pinasok, second half na. Pero agresibo kagad si Capobres. Ito.
And Alvin Capobres scores again. Defend. Daryl Manliguez. De Chavez is open. Yes, sir.
Strong side help right there by...
Our end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Everything is downhill for him, especially towards his right. Ito, inumpisahan naman ng Valenzuela. Manliguez driving towards his right. Good.
Patrick Bakay. Bakay layup is good. Basket and 1.
Oh boy, what a...
And Patrick Bakay completes the 3-point play. Rivera, yes sir.
A little late on the pass, but sometimes...
Here's Orin. Drives. Oh! Ang ganda ng pektos. I didn't expect that shot to go in. I have no problems taking over. Katakutan. Yes, sir. 4 straight points. Para kay Orin Katakutan. Able to stop the break, Orin. De Chavez. 3. 15 points para kay Chris De Chavez. No J.R. Kenyahan, no Arminion.
No Payawal. Who was outstanding in that first half. Talk about an outstanding play or an easy 2. Fortunately, his pass hit the board.
Palma lays it in for 2. Nakatulog ang depensa ng Valenzuela. 12 points now for Renz Palma. Manliguez. Oh, turnover. Cruz with the steal. Cruz with the layup. Daryl Manliguez sees a free lane. De Chavez is feeling it. Won't go. Rivera again, and he knocks it down.
Ganda nung pasa. We hustle for that loose ball rebound.
Santos providing the pick. Arminion, the kick out. J.R. Kenyahan, 1 dribble pull-up. That is money para kay J.R. Kenyahan. I like that he's picking his spots.
Right. That's really one move that everybody should have, big man or small, that, you know, shot fake, one dribble pull-up. Also a move like this, kung hindi ka makadevelop ng galaw,
QC, siya mag-isa.
There
By the
you
way,
go.
Armin Yon with a left-handed finish.
Beautiful drive to the right. QC, under kay Coach Egay.
Cruz inside. I thought he traveled there, but it's a basket and one para kay Jeremy Cruz. The last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX. Ludovice Tocani, de Hesse. Una inside. James Una lays it in. And we are tied at 70 with 39 seconds remaining. Dennis Santos able to receive. Armin Yon. 8 in the shot clock. Armin Yon, what a move! Spins away from the D and lays it in for 2. Chavez against Capogres, that's a foul. And that will mean free throws para kay Chris De Chavez.
You see is the defensive rebound and that quick outlet.
Chavez, second one on the way, and makes it a 2-possession game. Valenzuela continues its winning streak here as we bring your best player of the game, brought to you by Buenas. Here's the Chavez with 5 3-pointers and the insurance free throws with 12 seconds remaining. And really, that was the story of the game.
Right.
Coach Christian, ng sinabi mong, you know, those who can make their threes will have the edge down the stretch. It's
not only that, it felt like every three was timely threes all throughout the game for him, especially the last one.
That's